This is a magnet. This is a whole coil of wires, conducting wires. Then it's connected to LED. So LED is connected in such a way that when the current goes in one direction, you go to pass only one of the bulb, and when the current goes from the other direction, you only go through one of the bulb. So it can tell us the direction of the current. So let's see what happens when we let the magnet move through the coil. There will be a rate of change of magnetic flux, and hence it will induce EMF across the two ends, and LED will light up. Let's see. The green one will not be so clear normally the red one will be clearer. I think I'll switch off the light for